Polishing your moves, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming fluent English speakers. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase: polish those moves. Whether you're a dancer, a public speaker, or just someone looking to improve your skills, understanding and applying this phrase can make a big difference. So, let's get started. The phrase, polish those moves, is an idiomatic expression that means to practice and improve your skills or techniques in a particular area. It's often used in contexts where physical or performance skills are involved, like dancing, sports, or even public speaking. However, the beauty of this phrase lies in its versatility. It can be applied to virtually any skill you're looking to improve. When we break down the phrase, polish implies making something shine through refining or improving it. Moves refers to the actions or steps taken in any activity. Together, they suggest enhancing your abilities until they are as smooth and impressive as possible. 1. In a dance context, imagine you're preparing for a dance competition. Your coach might say, "You've got the routine down, but now it's time to polish those moves." Here, it means to refine your dance steps and movements to perfection. 2. In sports, a soccer coach might tell a player, "Your dribbling is good, but let's polish those moves to get past defenders more easily." This means improving dribbling techniques for better performance. 3. In everyday life, even outside of physical activities, this phrase can be used metaphorically. If someone is practicing a presentation, a friend might advise, "You know your material, but polish those moves to deliver it more confidently." This suggests refining presentation skills for a smoother delivery. Improving any skill requires dedication and the right approach. Here are some tips to effectively polish your moves. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Regular practice helps to reinforce what you've learned and make it second nature. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism from others can provide new perspectives on areas that need improvement. Set specific goals. Focus on specific aspects of your skills to improve. Breaking down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks can make the process more efficient. Visualize success. Imagine yourself performing your skills flawlessly. Visualization can boost your confidence and motivation. Be patient and persistent. Mastery takes time. Be patient with yourself and persistent in your efforts. Polish those moves is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages continuous improvement and striving for excellence. Whether you're a learner, a professional, or someone pursuing a passion, embracing this approach can lead to significant growth and success. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and application of this versatile phrase. Keep practicing, keep polishing, and see just how far your efforts can take you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.